Sinclair Dublin presents itself as a charming Irish boutique with elegant fashion and 15 years of experience. But the real question is it actually a real local store or another online boutique that isn't what it claims? Here's where things get revealing. What it claims to be. At first glance, Sinclair Dublin looks like a alluring Irish boutique, selling curated dresses and shoes, offering premium quality with additional service. The site even claims over 15 years of experience. A strong customer-focused story. Sounds legit, but this is where the cracks appear. Major red flags. 1. Heavy boutique story with no proof. The site tells a detailed backstory about opening a boutique, growing over 15 years, but there's no verifiable evidence of a physical store or real brand history outside their own website. 2. Unrealistic discount patterns. Products eye consistently. 50% off across the entire site combined with buy more, save more offers. Real boutiques rarely run site-wide adding than 50% sales. 3. Generic product naming and catalog style. Items are labeled like elegant summer dress, sophisticated midi dress. That is a typical of mass-produced driving catalogs, not unique boutique collections. So, is Sinclair Dublin real or fake? Short answer, real website, but not a genuine local boutique. And risk you. It's not cloudy cake, but shows multiple strong red flags post negative user reports. That combination strongly suggests it's not a true Dublin boutique and not fully trustworthy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.